Hi there. My name is Nathan Otto. I'm a VP here at Farmova Customer Operations. I lead our success and our support team. Wanted to come to you here today to talk a little bit about data integrations. So let's talk about it. Before we jump into it, Ada, I kind of want to talk about the goal of data integrations. To me, what I've understood sort of from our customers is that the goal is really about automating data flow. It's about avoiding double entry across different systems. And of course, there's certain pain points that our customers are trying to solve there. Can you kind of talk to us a little bit about some of the pain points and some of the use cases that you've been working on?
So one of the things that we're trying to look at is what users are we trying to do integrations for? So there's different user types. So one, for example, is our growers, right? Another is ag retailers. Others are users that are looking at our machine performance data, right? So we flow our data into their application and they're able to look at the operations of their machines and the performance and do more analytics there. As far as the ag retailers go, they're looking more at as applied data and looking to see how they can help their growers that they service. They're able to also share the as planted, as harvested yield information between growers and ag retailers. Another use case that we're trying to solve is around sometimes, we might onboard a customer that already uses certain applications, like in the insurance space, they might have an application where they have all their clued boundaries. And so we're able to, work with those applications and those customers to be able to import their grower farm field structures and also their boundaries to make sure that their systems are the same across the board.
Awesome. It's really focused on ag retail and insurance. So what are some of the challenges that we've already overcome in working through the integration space?
A lot of people hear API connection and they just think, we just plug two systems together. And that's not necessarily the case. I think it's about really trying to understand our customer, right? Who the user is, what they're using our farm mobile data for in the application where we're delivering the data to. And then also, I think, understanding how we link those accounts, how we're making sure that we're protecting the data of our users and our customers, and making sure that the third party that's accessing that data is authenticated, right? Is the user on the third party app, is it something that they want, automatic pushes of the farm mobile data on a nightly process? Is it something that has to be user generated, right? There's cases where an agronomist might want to send a prescription, right? So being able to do that real time and send it to one of our pucks. So cool. Just really trying to understand the different users, why they want to use our application, how the data benefits them. But also we find cases where we also need to pull the data back, right? And be able to kind of merge the data set so it's a more complete and useful set of data.
Yeah, I think one of the real interesting things there, as you mentioned, is integration is so much more than just API connections. It's really trying to figure out what the customer experience is end-to-end integration. So good. So what does the future hold for integrations here at Farm Mobile?
So I think one of the things as we go out and we visit customers and have been talking to a lot of people throughout the industry, no operation is just going to use one application. And so being able to recognize what we're good at, which is collecting data, recognizing there's other systems out there that are good for precision ag, writing those recs. There's other systems that are for accounting and work order management, inventory management, and just really trying to figure out a way to kind of streamline the data across all those applications and working with each customer to figure out how we can simplify their end-to-end data flow across all their applications.
Awesome. Yes, the days of monolithic systems are kind of in the past. It's really about getting the system with purpose and getting the data to flow. That's awesome. Well, thanks, Ada.
Yeah.
And thanks, everybody, for joining. If you have any questions, anything follow-up you want, please just give us a comment. Thanks.